Hello guys, today I am making the aloo tikki. For the aloo tikki, I am going to show you the ingredient. I have a 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of mango powder, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 cup of homemade cheese is called like paneer, 1 spoon of oil. I have a half cup of peas, 2 tablespoon of cornstarch. I have a 2 tablespoon of yeast. I have a 5 boiled potato. I'm going to put the pan on the high heat. I put a little bit oil in the pan. Let it heat up a little bit for 1 minute. I'm going to cook this peas for only for 2 minutes. Because we cannot put the raw in the tikki. After 2 minutes it was cooked now, so I have to off the gas. And this keep for the cool a little bit. I'm going to set the boiled potato like that. Now the potato is ready. I'm going to mix the salt, red chili, cumin powder, coriander powder, amchur powder, chili flakes, cheese, oil, cornstarch, yeast. I have to mix the peas. So I have to mix everything with the hand. You can taste little bit like that, and then you can know if you want to put the more salt or some chilies or something you can do. After mash everything together, I have to make a tikki. You can give like that shape. You have to make like this kind of shape, like round and this one, and you can make according to your, if you want to make a big, you can make a big. If you want to make a more small, you can make a more small. I make like a patty size. I'm going to put the heat on the high and I put the pan. I'm going to put the oil to fry my tikkis. Let the oil heat up very properly. My oil is heat up now. I'm going to fry the aloo tikki. You can put like 6 or 7 together. One side is ready. I have to flip now. Only took 2 minutes to fry one side of tikki. Now I'm doing the next side. Then I show you. To fry the tikkis is almost take 5 minutes, but you have to keep the eye on the tikki, that is not get more brown or burn. So see, now it was done. I'm just taking out all. Now it is time to make a second batch. So always you have to put from the side. You don't want to burn yourself. My tikki is done. I'm going to settle in the plate. I'm going to make a tikki chaat now. You can eat the tikki with the ketchup or tamarind sauce, or you can make a chaat. I am showing you how to make a chaat. I have to cut the tikki in the 4 pieces. See, this tikki is very soft, very soft, and not too much oil in that. I'm going to put the tamarind sauce, like 2 spoons at least. I'm going to put the green coriander chutney. If you want, I can put the video for green chutney. I'm going to add some yogurt, some onion, some cilantro. You can put shredded radish little bit, and if you want to put a little bit carrot also, so you can put the carrot. If you are serving in the party, you can design like that tikki.